Converting an EV into an petrol hybrid sounds interesting, and it is possible now. A company known as Horse Powertrain has a powertrain unit that's claimed to fit an all-in-one conversion anywhere on EV drivetrain can go. Horse X-Range C15 Direct Drive is made of two components: Horse's F15 electric motor and C15 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. The F15 is made to replace the front electric drive units, and C15 acts as a range extender. Together, both can be made to power to replace the main drive unit. It's packaged in a unique way to fit under the low floor of an EV. Its engine lies flat to help vertical packing, while the rest of the powertrain is left pancake to fit. The engine is so flat that EV components take up more vertical space. As an all-in-all package, it comes with electronic controller and accelerators to run it. It features two motors running in parallel setup. One can choose between naturally aspirated or turbocharged option. The naturally aspirated powertrain develops 94 bhp, while the turbo makes 148 bhp. Localization is not a problem with Horse. They are already looking to localize a strong hybrid for the Duster. There are rumors they're looking for a place to set up a factory in India, but this might be a Chinese company, so there is still doubts lingering.